Doctors at Bengaluru's Glen Eagle GBS Hospital Fortis network have successfully performed an advanced 3D printed titanium hip implant surgery, marking a significant achievement in orthopedic care. Addressing a press conference in Hubballi, Dr. Basavaraj CM, head of the orthopedics department, said the surgery was performed on a 35-year-old woman from Africa who had been suffering from severe hip pain for several years. Despite undergoing multiple surgeries in the past, her condition did not improve and she eventually lost the ability to walk properly. Dr. Basavaraj explained that the patient's hip joint was completely damaged with extensive bone loss in the hip socket. In addition, one of her legs had become 4 inches, which is 10 centimeters shorter than the other, making a conventional hip replacement unsuitable. Considering the complexity of the case, the team led by Dr. Basavaraj decided to use a custom-designed 3D printed titanium hip implant developed specifically to match the patient's anatomy using the latest orthopedic technology. The surgery lasted approximately 3 to 5 hours. He said the implant was designed using CT scan images and digital 3D planning, enabling the surgical team to accurately match the patient's anatomy. The damaged hip joint was carefully reconstructed and the customized hip socket implant was successfully fitted with the high precision. Dr. Basavaraj further asserted that the specialized implant was manufactured in India using advanced 3D printing technology. Following the surgery, both the patient's legs are now equal in length, the hip has regained stability, and the patient has recovered the ability to walk normally on her own.
There's just a very interesting case, a 40-year-old lady who had a very bad hip issue. She had arthritis of the hip. She was from Africa, so this was operated upon there itself. Unfortunately, there were some issues while the surgery was going on. She had a nerve issue. There was, because of all these problems, she had bone loss around the cup region of the hip joint. And with all this, she presented to us with pain and leg length discrepancy of almost 4 inches. The right leg was short by 4 inches. Because of the nerve injury, she had a foot drop. She was walking with her foot dropped down, and we call it foot drop because the nerves responsible for lifting the foot up was injured when she had the hip replacement. So there were two issues here. One is the severe bone loss around the cup region of the hip joint, and also we had to recreate the hip. The results are good whenever we recreate close to the original anatomy.
What is
So,
the face of the component challenge?
sorry.
What is your challenge face the component operation component? What is your challenge in this special case?
Yeah, because the challenge is, see, if we just do routine cups, we don't have the foundation was not there, the bone was not there, and we don't know where exactly is the center where I have to keep this, standard cup. So with the 3D printed, they morph the opposite normal hip, and from that we'll come to know where all there is a bone defect and where we have to center, the exact center we'll come to know. So they do in the 3D printed, it is patient specific. For this patient, particular patient, we print, it is, it is very accurate and it is designed for that particular patient, taken into consideration where the defect is, plus where the cup has to be placed, and also the size of the cup also is, we come to know when we take into consideration the opposite normal hip. So everything is addressed with one component, and it's easier, job is easier for the surgeons. Expenditure only for the component is around 1.5 lakh rupees plus the surgical cost.